Hello guys, welcome to Top Trending App Studio. This is a platform where we'll be sharing useful and authentic Android apps with a detailed demo. But first of all, do hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and help us to grow. Okay, have you bought a new phone today? Congratulations, you know what? You are among those 1% lucky people on this planet to purchase a new phone. Now, you must be wondering how to transfer GBs of data from your old phone to your new phone. To solve this problem, we are going to introduce you a very simple and effective Android app, which is Switch Phone. So here we go. Let's open the Play Store app. You can search the name of this application with the name of Switch Phone Smart Mobile Data. So as you can see, I've already installed in my both phones. So now I'm going to launch it on the both devices. I'm going to tell you that this is my old phone, the right one, and the left one is the new phone. I'm going to send the data from old phone to new phone. So from this old phone, I just click on the send button, sender. So the basic permissions actually are required, such as contact, storage, calendars, and location. And this app also ensures you that your data is not forwarded to any third party. Okay, from the new phone, I will click on the receiver. So you can see there are two modes for connections. One is nearby share and the other one is through HTTP. And I'm going to connect my both devices using nearby share option. So from the sender side, again, it will ask you some permission. You can see the app has all available folders on my old phone, like apps. I'm going to click on the app, file, random one image, just put the history, contacts. Now I'm going to press the send button, and from the old new phone, it will ask you for the permissions and let the device connect with the receiver phone. So here we go. You can see the new phone name is appearing on this old device. Now as you can see, data is being transferred here on the right hand screen, whereas on the left side screen we can see the new phone is also established the connection to receive the data. So finally, actually data has been sent from the old phone and it's successfully received from the receiver phone, from the new phone. This app also shows you the location folder which data has to be sent. Also, for the new phone, you can directly open the received files within the app. So this was all for today's video. We will also share how you can transfer data using the other option, which is shared through HTTP, in our upcoming video. I hope that you liked the video. Do share your feedback in the comment section below. Do try this app, and if you like it, don't forget to give a review on the Play Store and press the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming app demos. See you soon. Goodbye.